progressive muscle relaxation. This can be done any time of the day, but can be especially helpful at night as it can bring calmness and restorative relaxation to your whole body. Find somewhere quiet with no distractions to sit or preferably lay down. And then starting with your forehead, actively relax the muscles and release any tension you may be experiencing. I like to combine this with, Lord, help me to relax my forehead. Thank you for your presence and peace. Then do the same for your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, arms, chest, stomach, legs, feet, and even your toes, all the way down, relaxing each part as you go and praying a short prayer for each.